So then that happened. She's like, no, we broke up. It seems this is a very stupid reason that she has given me. So it seems she went to Canada, and both were supposed to go to Canada together for studies. But his visa didn't get approved, and hers got approved. So she went first. And they all were like, he literally bought for her that camera, no, that expensive, that photo comes out. Then he bought for her a lot of gifts. Till the end, things were really well. I used to see their stories and all. Na?
That's why I never buy gifts for a girl. Aaron doesn't gift me anything.
So then after that, like, and the way she used to act like he's my one and only. The day you come to know what is true love, you'll understand. She used to give me all that jazz. Because I was never serious with anybody for so long. So she used to give me all that jazz.
And now,
then after that, I asked her, what happened all of a sudden. So she said, when I moved to London, I was like, when I moved to Canada, that's when I realized I never loved him.
I'm sure she found someone else.
Yes, she got somebody else. She found some boy over there because I didn't.
But she had put beach man, she had put some picture with Jossita, she had put some story with Jossita.
Jossita also unfollowed her and all. Then after that, she's like, she went to Canada. And in Canada, all college people stay in one only house and all. Girls, boys,
it's
everybody.
Very bad, bad conditions.
Everybody stays in one only house. So she went over there, she found some boy, she fell in love. And then she did things with him.
And then she realized that she doesn't want to be with Jason.
She wants him. Because it seems whenever she used to want to do things with Jason, it used to never happen. But with him, it magically happened. I'm sure she was drugged.
Yeah, probably.
It just magically happened with him. And then after that, she realized she loved him and not him. And then she left him. And then after that, he got so emotionally hurt. And then he became a little. Now, obviously, if your girlfriend leaves you after so long, you go a bit psycho.
Obviously.
So he started
Especially after
threatening.
going to another country, after doing so much for her.
So he started threatening her and all that.
Jason threatening.
Yes, I will send you. So they used to click pictures and all together, like with they are intimate pictures. So he was like, I will share this with your father. I was like, she was telling me all this. I was like, oh, okay, that's bad. And she's like, yes, you don't know what has he done, this, that. Then after that, she's like,
sympathy is taking me.
and the way she used to talk and do overacting. But then I told Sanil that, I think their breakup happened and all. He's like, thank God. Anyways, she was not right for him. Then what he did was, Jason, he tortured her mentally. Then he got approved for his visa. He went to Canada.
Jason was in Canada.
Yes, he got approved.
Good.
And there was things to pick sad quotes and all. But then after a week, he got a new girlfriend. And he used to post her pictures. And then she got upset and she's like, see what he did to me. And in a minute, he got a girlfriend. The minute he came to Canada, he got a girlfriend.
And what did she do?
Yeah, so it is valid that if he got a girlfriend.
I mean, obviously he got a girlfriend when he was single.
Yeah.
You got a boyfriend when you were fucking dating.
And she looks good. She has curly hair and all that. I've only seen a picture.
When did Jason met Sally? She got the whole class on.
No, she was. They were in the same classes. They used to do that CA wala course. So then he used to call her home to teach because she was good at studies. He and that Bhavesh, I don't know Bhavesh, his name is an actor. Jason's friend, one guy, an actor. Some actor.
Have you seen Jason's acting videos?
I think so.
I saw YouTube actually बहुत साल पहले था. Like 2 years पहले or something.
I think now it stops. We have to get down. Not now. When it stops, the second next stop is ours. After this fire station. But yes, and then their relationship was completely fake. I feel. Who? Silas and
The new one.
I know the Jason Wala.
Jason Wala.
Because I always had that feeling that she never really liked Jason. She liked his family because his sister is an influencer, Larissa. Josita is a really cool person, like smoking up, and she had really young friends.
His house was also nice. You can go and chill.
Yes,
Double house.
Yes, and then you had that Jason Rebello also.
Okay, she probably just liked the company.
Yes, and then when she used to go to Govan, when he went, I think so she was made the bridesmaid also, no, for Josita's wedding.
But Josita took got married there, no, in London.
No, London was court wala.
Oh.
She had a Goa wedding.
Okay.
Yes.
Hold the handrail. 请紧握扶手。The next stop is Chestnut South Road. 下一站是赤月角南路，请赶往扶手。Please hold the handrail. 请紧握扶手。
हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम भाई। मैं किधर हूँ? किधर हो? कहाँ पे हो? पैसों कुछ है यार? पापा ने क्या बोला? पापा से बात हुई? पापा से बात हुई? देखते कुछ हो ही जाए। पापा को पता ही है मेरे पास कौन पड़े। पापा को मेरे पता ही नहीं पता कि मेरे पास कौन पड़े, फिर भी मेरे से ये सारा काम करते हैं। मैंने बोला पापा को पता नहीं मेरे पास कौन पड़े। रास्ते में मेरे क्लास पे हाँ जी हाँ गेमों की क्लास है।
下一站係香港空運貨站。
मैंने बोला मैं एयरपोर्ट पहुँचने ही वाला हूँ। तक पहुँचा मैं तक पहुँचा एक 15 मिनट 1.5 बजे। मैंने बोला कल को मेरा पहला दिन रहेगा। ओह शिट भाई सेफ्टी शूज भी मैंने ले लिए। सेफ्टी कितनी में मिल जाएगी? 150-200 में मिल जाएगी ना? मैंने बोला 150-200 मिल जाएगा ना सेफ्टी शूज? मैंने बोला 150-200 में सेफ्टी शूज आ जाएगी ना? मेरे पास ना मैं कल से मांगने कैसे मांगू? बस तो दिहाड़े दूसरी लगाई है यार। और जैसे दिहाड़े लगाई थी मैंने उधर बोल रहा हूँ मैंने जिधर ये दिहाड़ी लगाई थी उसकी सैलरी क्या है, एक 7 तारीख आती है, एक 21 तारीख आती है। तो वो जिधर मैं काम पे लगा हुआ था वो पंप में आज तो सही है। मैंने हफ्ता किया, मैंने दो दिन लगाए, दो या 3 दिन। पापा एक कॉल आ रही है, हेलो। हाँ मैं बस पहुंच गया हूँ, ये अगला स्टॉप उतर रहा हूँ, अगले स्टॉप में उतर रहा हूँ, मैंने बोला अगले स्टॉप में उतर रहा हूँ। हेलो। हाँ मैंने बोला अगले स्टॉप में उतर रहा हूँ। हाँ मैं पहुँच गया हूँ। जी 130 बोला था। हाँ जी, वो जो लेफ्ट राइट में ग्रे बिल्डिंग है उधर है ना। अच्छा, ग्रीन कलर वाली बिल्डिंग।